Hi everyone, welcome to today's daily Cypher code. Well, those who have already joined the family, we appreciate you and thank you very much for stopping by. So we have three dots for A's, and for C we have a dash, dot, dash, dot. For R we have dot, dash, and dots. So we're checking in the letter Y, that is dash, dot, dash, dash. For the letter P, we have a dot, dash, dash, and dots. And finally, for our letter T, we have the long dash. Script. So we've cracked the code. Thank you for staying with us. If you haven't already, please consider joining the family. And for those who have subscribed, thank you very much. You mean the world to us. See you at the mini game.